Welcome to the story of Ofo, the sacred symbol of Igbo culture and tradition. Ofo is a powerful symbol of authority, leadership, and spirituality. It represents the connection between the physical and spiritual worlds. The origins of Ofo date back to the 14th century, when it was used by Igbo kings and leaders to signify their authority and connection to the divine. This sacred staff, often carved from wood or bronze, was not just a symbol of power, but also a conduit for spiritual communication. The Ofo was believed to hold the essence of the ancestors, linking the present to the past and ensuring the continuity of traditions. It played a crucial role in rituals, ceremonies, and judicial proceedings, where it was invoked to call upon the wisdom and guidance of the ancestors. The intricate designs and symbols etched onto the Ofo were unique to each clan, representing their lineage and heritage. Over time, the Ofo became a revered object, passed down through generations, and its significance grew within the Igbo community. Today, it remains a powerful emblem of cultural identity and spiritual heritage, reminding the Igbo people of their rich history and the enduring legacy of their ancestors. Ofo plays a vital role in Igbo culture, from traditional ceremonies to everyday life. It's a symbol of respect, authority, and spiritual connection. The Ofo is often seen in the hands of elders during important rituals, signifying their role as custodians of tradition and wisdom. Beyond ceremonies, the Ofo is also a part of daily life, representing justice and truth in family and community matters. Elders pass down the knowledge and significance of the Ofo to younger generations, ensuring its continued relevance. The crafting of an Ofo is an art form in itself, requiring skill and reverence. Each Ofo is unique, often carved from sacred wood and imbued with spiritual significance. This sacred object not only connects the living with their ancestors but also serves as a tangible link to the divine, embodying the spiritual essence of the Igbo people. Ofo is more than just a symbol. It's a connection to our ancestors, our culture, and our tradition. This sacred staff, often held by elders, carries the weight of our history and the wisdom of generations. It is a testament to the resilience and continuity of the Igbo people. When we hold the Ofo, we are reminded of the values and principles that have guided our community through the ages. It is a beacon of justice, truth, and moral integrity. Let us continue to honor and respect this sacred symbol, teaching our children its significance and ensuring that its legacy endures. In ceremonies, festivals, and daily life, the Ofo stands as a powerful reminder of who we are and where we come from. By preserving this tradition, we keep our heritage alive and pass on a rich cultural legacy to future generations. Let us embrace the Ofo with reverence and pride, celebrating its role in our identity and our shared history. Ofo, the sacred symbol of Igbo culture and tradition.